Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gemini from Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. To remove Gemini from your phone, you can go to the Google application and then you're going to click on this profile icon. Okay, and actually guys, we cannot really or totally remove the Gemini from our phone, but we can turn it off. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn the Gemini off. Okay, here you can go to the settings, guys. And then I'm going to go to the Google Assistant. So here I have two assistants. The first one is from Google and the second one is Gemini. And then you can easily switch your assistant here. Wait, right here, digital assistant from Google. Okay. And then if you want to turn off the assistant, you can go back. Oops, wait, I'm going to select this voice match. Let's try. Okay, and then you can turn off the assistant here, and then your Gemini and your Google Assistant will be removed from your device. Well, actually it's not totally removed. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.